Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? If you are a coffee lover and filter coffee lover, you would always wonder what to do with the residue of the filter coffee, that is the leftover filter coffee after you have used it. So in my video today, I will be making use of this leftover coffee residue and create a wonderful body scrub which is very good for your skin. It is a luxurious scrub which when used on your body not only exfoliates your skin, keeps your skin smooth, soft and supple, and also encourages collagen production. This will also help to reduce wrinkles and you will always have a fresh glowing skin. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this scrub, I am using the used coffee powder which I had dried it in the sun for a day, and this is how it looks. It looks as good as the coffee powder, but it doesn't stain the skin. So it has rich exfoliation benefits. It can make your skin smooth, soft and supple. If you don't have the dried coffee powder, you can use the original if you don't mind the stain. The next ingredient would be sugar. Again, sugar also has the benefits of exfoliation. It can lighten your skin. It also reduces the pigmentation on your skin. I am using the sugar powder which I had just pulsed it in the mixer. If you are comfortable using the sugar grains, you can use it. The next would be some oil to moisturize all the skin. I am using this orange oil. If you don't have this orange oil, you can use coconut oil, olive oil or almond oil, whichever is good for your skin, whichever is available with you. And to mix all this up, to have that frothy feeling on your body, I'm using a face wash. If you don't have a face wash, you can also use a body wash just to mix it up and give that exfoliation or the creamy leathery texture of the scrub. So these are all the ingredients you would want, and if you want the fragrance, little bit good fragrance, use a essential oil. I'm using geranium essential oil which has this beautiful aroma to the scrub. So the method is simple. All you need to do is mix all these ingredients. I am taking 1 cup of coffee powder. To that I am adding half a cup of sugar granules. I have just ground it. If you want to use, you can use the whole one if you can tolerate the scrubby texture of the sugar granules. I am adding in the oil well enough to mix all these ingredients, and a tablespoon of the face wash. If you're using body wash, you can use it. At this point you can also use honey, but I don't like the sticky feeling of the honey, so I am skipping it. But if you like honey, you can use it. So mix very well, and once it is done, you can add the essential oil at this point. This scrub is almost ready. You can store this in the refrigerator for however long you want. All these ingredients doesn't contain water, therefore it will last very long. So I'm using the essential oil here, 2 to 3 drops. It smells very good. If you don't have essential oil, you can skip it, but if you're using orange oil, and there will be orange smell in the scrub, so you can do with that only. The body scrub is ready, and avoid using this scrub on the face because it's not advisable to use any physical exfoliators on the facial skin because it is sensitive and you may damage the skin. The coarse nature of this body scrub is used only on the body. The reason you can use this scrub on the body is because whenever most of us use lotions, body lotions and moisturizers on the skin, and over a period of time it will accumulate on the skin, forming a thin layer which is not visible, but you may feel the textury skin, and you may feel that the dead skin cells are accumulating and you may feel irritated. Therefore, using this physical scrub can help to remove the dead skin cells, revealing a smooth and soft, supple skin. For that, you need to just take a little bit of the scrub, wet your body, and apply this in a circular motion, and just with a slight pressure you can scrub off the dead skin cells, and this will give you a glowing skin. Use this once a week, and this is very good for all skin types, but if you find any irritation, you can avoid it or reduce the graininess of the scrub by just powdering the ingredients. So when you add a little bit of water, because it will start to lather because you have used the body wash, that will help to slide the body scrub on your body easily, and the oil will also help to moisturize when it is doing its job. So try this and see how it works for you. This is easy, and you can store this in the refrigerator for however long you want, and this will work very good for all skin types. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and thanks for watching.